There's egg in my hair. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. We are about to get some egg in my hair, girl, because we need all of the extra protein. I just took my braids out of the quote-unquote protective style that I was in under my wig, so now we're about to go ahead and co-wash my hair. Alright y'all, so time to go ahead and get this hair washed. So normally sometimes I use shampoo, but today I just wanted to use my Aussie 3-minute moist. It is a deep conditioner, but I use it as the general conditioner to do co-wash. So I'm going to go ahead and saturate my hair as normal. If you guys seen all of my other wash day videos, this is nothing new, except in that video I did use shampoo. Today, for the sake of this, I want to just focus on co-washing, so I'm just going to go ahead and get everything fully saturated, get it to the right temperature that I want, and then I'm going to go ahead and then apply the conditioner and just make sure it is all worked in.
Ryan Little.
I do use a heavy hand with this product just because I want to make sure that every strand is fully coated with all of the product on it, and I take time to actually try to stimulate my scalp because one, my hair itched, and two, I wanted to use my nails to kind of get into my scalp and make sure that everything was kind of cleaned and cleansed and everything. Even though I'm using the conditioner, I just wanted to actually fully work it in and then allow for all of the moisture to come in based on what the product itself is supposed to be doing. Okay, on to the fun part and why you're here. So we're going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I use extra virgin olive oil and 2 eggs. You see me cracking them here, and then I'm mixing them all into a bowl. This is the protein treatment that we're going to be doing. Obviously it's a DIY protein treatment, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it in my hair after this, after it's all mixed in. I do section my hair off into 4 sections for this. It gets really messy, so be careful. I did it over top of the same sink that I washed my hair out in, so I just made sure I worked it all in. You can obviously do more eggs and more oil if you like. I just chose to stick with 2. I think next time I'll do 3 eggs because I didn't have enough towards the end. I did have some extra that you guys will see, but I would rather have more than not enough. Girl, it's gonna be really messy, so make sure you're wearing yourself an old t-shirt or something that you don't care about getting egg on, because truthfully and honestly, egg will go everywhere. So just be careful and think about that. Obviously I probably could have tried a different method and kind of like done something else, like had a towel on my neck or something to just make sure that the messiness was controlled, but I didn't really care that deeply. I just want to make sure that I get this egg all over my head. And just be mindful, you guys, you should only do this maybe like once a month. You don't want to overdo it, so not every wash day, but I would say once a month. Pick a time of the month whenever you wash your hair. Obviously I wash my hair probably like 4 times a month, 3 to 4 times a month, so I won't do this every single wash day, but just once a month. Keep that in mind. So this is the remainder. Ooh, of the egg that's left over. So I just go ahead and pour it over and just try to work it all over the outside part. I do go ahead and sit into 2 plastic caps and let this sit in my head for about 30 minutes and then come back, and this is what my hair looks like after. I'm just going to go ahead and try to rinse out the egg all in my hair. You will see that I will be leaving some egg in my hair throughout the video. It's just because I didn't realize it was there. And then you want to make sure that you don't use hot heat, because if so, it will try to cook the egg in your hair and you'll have like little egg whites all over your hair, which is annoying to take out.
Ryan Little.
Egg. There's egg in my hair. Okay, that sounded really dumb. I think this part is like cooked. Hair? It's probably because of the caps, the plastic bags, baby. I can't see the back of my head, so I hope y'all can. Let me know if there's some egg when y'all watch this. Comment down below if y'all see some egg in my hair. Help me get it out, sis, because I can't. Alright, y'all, that's the end of this. I just wanted to show y'all how my hair looked when I put the egg in my hair for some protein. I am about to just put some more conditioner in it, but I figured y'all didn't want to see that part, so I'm just gonna end it a little early. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you ever put egg in your hair, sis, let me know what you think. And I literally keep looking at the perimeter because I feel like I got egg on the perimeter, but I think it's just from when I had that bag on my head. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.